Welcome back to the Flarelight tutorial series, Hair Salon Data Made Simple. In the last video, we used our prepared dataset to build a simple dashboard and pulled out some quick, high-level insights. Today, we're taking the next step. Let's start by cleaning up the dashboard. I'll group our high-level metrics together so they're easier to see at a glance. As you can see, every widget is fully adjustable. Now that the layout looks good, let's add two bar charts side by side. One for revenue by service, and one for revenue by stylist. I will place the stylist bar chart next to the service one so we have a nice comparison. These charts are interactive. When I switch to the Preview tab and click on Alex, all charts automatically update to show only Alex's data. Our total revenue widget now reflects exactly how much revenue Alex generated. We can drill in even further. If I click on Haircut, the dashboard updates again, showing how much of Alex's revenue came specifically from haircuts. To check something else, like Alex's highlights revenue, I can simply deselect Haircut and click Highlights instead. But let's make this even easier by adding dedicated filter widgets. I'll add one filter for services with multi-select enabled, and another one for stylists. Let's adjust the size to better fit the data we have. To make them more intuitive, I'll move both filters above the bar charts. Now in preview mode, selecting any service or stylist instantly updates the entire dashboard. Let's take the analysis one step further. I'll add two clustered bar charts to compare revenue and duration, grouped first by service and then by stylist. Setup is nearly identical to the earlier charts, except here I'll choose two value fields, revenue and duration. This gives us a powerful view of how each service and each stylist performs. Not just how much revenue they bring in, but how that compares to the time spent delivering that service. Once we're happy with the dashboard, we can click Generate. This creates a point-in-time snapshot of the data, complete with versioning and a timestamp. This is great because it lets us reuse the dashboard next month without overwriting the data in this report. We can open it to view the same dashboard as a standalone, interactive report, perfect for deeper monthly analysis. And now for the powerful part. With one click on Generate Report Insights, Flarelight's AI analyzes the entire report, every widget, every trend, and produces a set of clear summaries, takeaways, and recommendations. AI will now produce a full insight report broken into clear sections. Executive snapshot, a quick overview of the month's key numbers. Service by service takeaways, highlights for how each service performed. Stylist performance, a breakdown of revenue by stylist. Revenue and efficiency insights, how revenue compares to time spent. Recommended next steps, simple actions to explore based on the data. Each section gives a clear, structured read on the dashboard we created. If we want to archive or share the results, we can also download a clean PDF version. And that's it for part 3. You now have a fully interactive dashboard, deeper performance insights, and an auto-generated report. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified when part 4 comes out.